2019 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.